You're going to get a little preview of what's coming next because I lost some video. Hi, I'm Diane. I'm a sculptor, and in 2007 I moved here to Colima, Mexico. In 2016 I started working with paper mache in plaster molds and experimenting with a lightweight, durable sculpture material. Come into my studio and I'll show you what I'm talking about. All of the sculptures behind me and all of the torsos here came out of one set of plaster molds. You can see how strong and durable they are. In this video, I'll show you how I attach this torso, which is the torso for the Fall and the Rise sculpture, to its legs. And at the end of the video, I'll show you how I make those joints completely invisible and durable. Torn craft paper makes this incredibly strong sculpture. I'm looking forward to pushing the limits here to see how big a sculpture I can make with this method. I glue the last 2 coats of paper on with nori glue. Today I'll attach this torso to these legs using paper paste and PVA glue. Once it's together, I dip my fingers in PVA glue to flatten out the paper paste and fix the joint. Each time I put a layer of paper paste on the piece, I let it sit then for a day or two so that the paper paste can shrink. When it's dry, I'll come back to it with my scalpel and with more paper paste. Then I'll put another 2 layers of craft paper with PVA glue, and over that, I'll use the nori paste and put another 2 layers of paper. I know that that sounds like a lot, but it allows me to make a durable sculpture that's beautiful and smooth and just the way that I want it to look. I want to show you what happens when I use the paper paste. It shrinks, and the more I use, the more it shrinks. And here I attached it with the paper paste. I put the paper pieces over that. I'm going to use my scalpel and cut a little bit down and then put paper paste again and more pieces of paper in order to get rid of this joint line. You're going to get a little preview of what's coming next. The next video is the joining of these 2 pieces. Like and subscribe and come back to see what's going to happen here.